What you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management. It is Financial Friday, and in today's video, I'm gonna be giving you guys 6 different things that poor people waste their money on. So if you don't want to be poor, I definitely advise you take these 6 things into consideration and you do not waste money on them. If you don't know before today, well, you're gonna know after this video. So again, make sure you guys take these into consideration, save yourself some money, because on this channel, we value money, we value what we do with money, we make smart decisions when it comes to our money. So use these tips to save yourself some money and overall watch how you spend your money in your everyday life so you can improve your financial future. So let's dive into it. Number 1, impulse purchases. I'm sure many of us have done this at some point or another. Spending money on impulse purchases. Spending money just because you want to in that moment, because it feels good, you want to, you saw something, it caught your eye, now you want to spend money on it. Impulse purchases are very common. I've done it before, been awake at 3 a.m, just thought to myself, oh, this looks nice, I'll buy it. Give yourself 24 hours to 48 hours to figure out if you really want to buy it. Hold off on that purchase. Don't buy it yet. Just wait. I know it's very easy in this day and age to buy things online on your phone, wherever you've got your card details saved, but do not do it. Do not get caught spending money on impulse purchases, because slowly but surely that is draining so many people's bank accounts. Those impulse purchases you make could be the difference when it comes to your financial life, with excelling financially or suffering and becoming poor. Take your money and use it wisely. Use your money to change your life in the right way. Don't use your money to buy things just because you want to, just because it felt nice in the moment, just because you thought that was the best thing to do, just because you didn't think through things properly. Don't be silly, don't buy impulse purchases. Do not buy 12 pairs of socks, 10 phone cases, 5 different watches, 6 different shoes, all because you couldn't control yourself in that moment. Be smart with your money, do not make impulse purchases, and focus on making the change for the better. That brings me on to the second point. Stop trying to look rich. I know so many people who do this, and I'm sure you guys also know many people who do this. Now, the problem with trying to look rich is, once people buy a few nice things, which is nothing wrong with that, they start buying more and more because they have to keep up those appearances. They have to show people that they're rich, they can afford this, they can afford that, they can buy these luxuries, they can possess this, they can possess that. Now again, this is going to run your bank account dry, and this is what makes people poor, because they can't keep up with these kind of things. There are so many people out there who can't pay their rent, fix the door in the house, fix a broken window, but they're out there buying the nicest clothes, the nicest shoes, all that kind of stuff. Trying to look rich, focusing on designer, outfits, luxury items, that's not going to help you. Especially when you cannot afford it, eventually it comes back to haunt you. Like I said, enough people out there haven't fixed their life, but they want to use their bank, they want to use their money to make people think that they are rich. What's the point? Half of these people won't know you in a year, 2 years, 5 years. Half of these people know you now, but they don't care what you look like. They don't care what you wear. Focus on what you want to do. Focus on what you need to do to get better in your life. Do not focus on looking rich when you do not have that kind of money. There's no point going out there, buying diamonds, maybe getting fake nails, trying to do all this kind of thing that you can't afford, when again, you cannot even fix your life. Your life is not in order, your rent is not paid, you can't buy a lot of food, you can't succeed when it comes to your money. Your financial life is not in order, then don't try and look rich. Focus on getting your life in order first before you can spend your money on those luxury items. Number 3, your health. Some people go wrong here. Some people do become poor because of their health. Take care of your health. Do you have health issues? Do you have symptoms or something? Do you feel ill? Go to the doctor. Get a simple checkup. Yes, it may cost you a little bit of money, but over the long run, that's going to be a lot better for you than becoming critically ill, becoming in a worse situation, having huge medical bills. I'm telling you, take care of those small issues, get the right vitamins, get the right food and drink in your body, do the right things so you can stay healthy. It's way easier to sort those things out when they're small, when they're not as major, than when they get bigger, when they get escalated. Take care of your health, do the right things for your body, do the right things which will keep you fresh, keep you going long term, and overall give you a long sustainable life. So you can enjoy your life, be with your loved ones, do all the good things, instead of being someone who's struggling to pay medical bills, who's struggling for their health, just because they didn't do the simple things, they didn't cut the problems when they were small, they didn't sort out their issues when they were small, they were minor, they waited too long, they did the wrong things, eventually it came back to bite them. Do not be that kind of person, so take care of your health. 4th thing people waste money on and become poor. Fast food. I see so many people doing this as well. So many different households wasting money on fast food. I'm telling you guys, it's not that difficult to buy groceries, shop for yourself, cook your own meals. Everyone seems to want to spend money on fast food. Pay $6, $7 for one burger. Pay, $10 for a plate of pasta. There's no point doing that, especially when you can't afford it. Now, this is something that makes a lot of people go poor because they just do it because of convenience. They do it because they're lazy. They do it because it tastes nice. Well, guess what? Making your own food is convenient as well. Making your own food also tastes nice. Cooking for yourself is also good for you. Not only is it good for you, you know what you're putting in your food, it's good for your pockets, it's great all around. I'm telling you guys, it's not that difficult to cook. Go on YouTube, look on Google, find some cookbooks, go somewhere and learn how to cook. It doesn't matter what you want to do, but you should be able to learn how to cook. After a while, you're not living with your parents anymore, you need to learn how to make some simple meals. There's no way you're going to sustain yourself buying fast food each and every day, 4 or 5 times a week, 2 or 3 times in a single day. I see a lot of people do this. Fast food is a big waste of money and it makes a lot of people poor. I'm not naive. I know it tastes nice. I know it tastes good, but eventually you've got to cook for yourself. You've got to do what's best for yourself. You've got to do what's best for your future. Financially, fast food is taking so many people's money away. And again, I'm going to say it. You guys need to stop doing that. You guys need to stop eating out twice, 3 times in a single day, 5, 6 times in a single week, because it's adding up to a lot more than $6, $7, $8 per meal. It's starting to add up to $100, $200 each and every week. Over the long run, again, that could be the difference between you making some money and using that money to make more money, or using that money to change your financial future and you becoming poor. Do what's best when it comes to your money short term, when it comes to food, so you can enjoy it more long term. 5, the latest technology. Everybody must have done this at some point in their life. They see the newest iPhone come out. They see AirPods, TV, a smart TV, wireless earphones, wireless headphones, the latest earphones, whatever it may be. Why do you spend money on the latest technology? You have an iPhone 10. You see the iPhone 11 Pro come out and you want to buy it straight away. Guess what? A lot of you guys can't even afford it. You guys make payments for it. In this case, just because you have the money for something, whether it's a TV, whether it's an iPhone, whatever it may be, when it comes to technology, I'm telling you guys, stop making payments on these kind of things. It will make you poor. Many people I know like to make payments on these things. I'm not quite sure why. Over the long run, it comes back to bite you. Instead of paying, $1,000 for an iPhone, you end up paying, double the price just because you wanted the latest iPhone, you want to make payments on it. Again, it doesn't mean you can afford it. Even if you can afford it, what is the point in buying the latest technology, especially when you have absolutely no idea what difference it has to whatever you already have? Stop spending money on the latest technology because that's going to make you poor. Spend your money wisely. Keep what you have, use what you have to the best of your ability. I know many of you guys out there do not need AirPods, but you buy AirPods anyway. AirPods 2 come out, you get those. The latest smartwatches come out, you get those. Be cost efficient and buy my smartwatches. That would be smart. Now that is a smart decision you can make. No, but in all seriousness, guys, you need to stop buying, the latest smart TVs, latest whatever technology may come out, just because other people have seen it, just because other people have been talking about it, just because it's come out. And again, it's just you trying to show off, trying to show your status, show what you're about, show you got that money. I know when, new things come out, there's a lot of hype, there's a lot of noise about it, but you have to learn to challenge your mind. You have to learn to channel your mind, channel your thoughts to the right thing. Don't spend money on the latest technology, especially when you do not need it at all. I guarantee there are very few situations where you guys actually need the latest technology for whatever you may do. Headphones, TVs, phones, no matter what it may be, you do not need to spend money on the latest technology. This is a quick way people lose money and become poor. So, for the 6th and final thing that poor people waste money on, cable TV. In this day and age, you can save yourself $150 to $200 each and every month by cutting off cable TV. At our fingertips in this day and age, we have Netflix, we have Hulu, we have online services, we have streaming services, we have YouTube, we have everything we need. There's no need for you guys to spend, $100, $200 each and every month on cable TV. For once, guys, I'm actually referring you to Netflix. This time I'd say, take a Netflix or a Hulu instead of, cable TV. You have everything you want there. And again, if you don't, you have it on YouTube or you have it online, on the internet. Trust me when I say, when it comes to cable TV, whatever you're spending on your money on, you do not need to. Be smart with your money. A lot of people are poor, a lot of people don't have money because they spend a lot of money on cable TV. You might think it sounds silly, but trust me, those $200 each and every month start to add up. Again, there's opportunity you're missing elsewhere. $200 investing in yourself, $200 starting a business, $200 doing many different things. Save yourself some money by getting rid of cable TV, cancelling your subscription. Whatever you need to do overall, just get rid of it. If you guys didn't know about these different ways that people waste their money on before today, well, now you know, so hopefully you guys take these into consideration in the future. Save your money, use your money for things that could benefit you in the future, and hopefully you guys learn to spend your money wisely from now on. So like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, like I've mentioned already in the video, please give me some feedback below. Drop a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, like, share, all the good stuff. But that's the video, guys. Be back here tomorrow for the weekend, because the weekends are winners made, the weekends where empires are built. I've got money to be making, you got money to be saving. See you guys tomorrow for the weekend. Peace.